Join Matthew and Rohit and for solo song, Amit, Aiswi, Susmita and Rohit.
Pasanani bagai bahasa woi sini borong genang timin narwai okra sini sar Jishu Debruma sini hastani deputy chief minister no yapa khoroboi lam sognani bagai. The guests for today's program are Sir Jishu Debruma, the Deputy Chief Minister of our state, Tripura. Next. Sir Subhas Datta, the SDM of Jorania Subdivision, as the special guest. Sir Animes Debruma, the Joint Director of Secondary Education Government of Tripura, and Sir Surendra Debruma, Electricity Senior Manager from Mandwi Subdivision. So thank you very much, sir, for accepting our invitation and for coming to our this 11th Annual Take Home Parents' Day celebration.
And the theme for this year is Freedom with Responsibilities. So, I on behalf of the principal, management, teaching staff, non-teaching staff and students
welcome with Uturia, Risa, and a bouquet of flowers and a memento. With school Uturia. Sisters, please stand up so that the other side also. Their brother also. And this side also. Let's give them a round of applause. Please come, Bosconians. Please see that all the special invited guests are honored with anyone, someone left.
I thank God for His love. I thank God for His peace. I thank God for His grace. And for all the joy He brings. I thank God for His strength. I thank God for His power. I thank God for His truth. His mercy sees me through. I thank God for my life. I thank God for my home. I thank God for my friends and that I am not alone. I thank God for this world. I thank God.
fantastic performance.
The aim of Don Bosco School, Mandwi, is to form students into integral human beings whose intellectual, emotional, moral, and physical well-being will enable them to face the challenges of tomorrow, all the while being firmly rooted in our culture and having love for our country, faith in God, and love of human beings as exemplified in the life and teachings of our Lord Jesus Christ. We are working hard in collaboration with our qualified and committed teachers, and we continue to work for the development of this region. The theme of this year's annual day celebration cum Parents' Day is freedom with responsibility. Life is a free gift of God. So too, Don Bosco handed over to us the rich legacy of growing freely with responsibility. His method of education was based on reason, religion, and loving kindness. And so we are also, as followers of Don Bosco, working tirelessly to impart these virtues. Today our Bosconians are very happy and delighted to have you all and to exhibit their God-given talents on this very stage. So let us enjoy the show. Jotono Sarikaham Tinini Paimanjak Painai Khazani Boromganang Narwai Okra Muchang Sri Jishnu Muchang Jishnu Devarma Chini Tripura Hasteni Deputy CM Te Hai no Hai Boromni Narwai Muchang Subhas Datta Jireniani SDM Te Boromganang Muchang Animes Devarma Joint Director of Secondary Education, Reverend Brother Anand Prakash Lakda, Don Bosco School Agartalani Principal, Te Phai Manjak Phai Nai Joto Narwe Rokno Bo Ang Khabai Kubai Lamsago. Norokni Baithangni Nangtukma Samung Homung Rokno Yakari Oro Phai Manjak Ma Bagi Belai Ke Hambai. School Chengthani Kebangma Kebangmung Bising Te Phano Khorang Rok Te Amcheni Lukurok Ni Hamjakma Te Chubama Bai Kaham Ke School No Tisawi Manma Bagi Ang Borokno Belai Ke Hambai Mario Ani Khazani Mafa Song No Ang Hambario Norok Jotono Tamni Hinke Norok O Institution Chung Jotono Belaika Hamjago Abun Baki Norokni Chererkno O School Rohoro Norokni Puito Norokni Chubamung Belaika Khakaham Abun Bagi Norokno Hambario O School Joto Nangkuk Mani Facility Rock Tongo Tebo Thinango Auditorium Te Stadium Children's Park Te Class 12 Khainan Bagi Plan Tongo Te Abo Haike Kabangma Development Ni Samung Butango Tongo Aborokno Chung Joto Thangsake Yaprisui Chini Amcheni Hamkaina Rokno Teibo Kahamke Te Datti Te Chari Tisa Mannai Orani Bisingo Jotoni Sai Chubamung Nang Kugui Tongmani Ke Chini Baithangni Sorkarni Adongsong Chini Buskango Himnanang Nai Tei Chung Jotono Saimano present government is very supportive towards our mission and vision of our locality. So thank you, sir, for your constant help and support. Chung Abun Bagi Chung Belai Belai Ke Chini Khak Kufur Bai Hambai Yaparo Jotono Pal Ke Yapar Khorok Dek Khak Hayo O Samungrok Tangnani Norokni Chubachu Manana Tebaisa Norokno Hambario Joto Phai Manjak Okra Chakra Te Garjan Rock Mahapasong Tinini Sarikni Jorao Norokni Cherai Rokni Program Norok Nainai Borok Tamo Frunka Tamo Srinka Te Busuk Se Borok Development Inka Borokni Abono Borok Norokno Punuk Naitabu Abun Bagi Ang Norokno Koizawa Kaham Kringke Nainan Bagi Te Cherai Rokno Support Khainan Bagi Jotono Hambai. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Father, for giving a wonderful welcome speech. In your words of welcome, we all of us feel at home and belonging into a family.
Tap your feet together. Tap your
It is my joy to see all of you have come to encourage us. You sacrifice your best busy schedule and come to join with us. This shows you love us and you appreciate our work. As Father Principal rightly said, that you are part and parcel of a family. As it is written, our theme is freedom with responsibility. Let me narrate you one incident. One incident I have seen with my own eyes. A loaded truck made an accident with a Tata Sumo. Both the drivers came out. Can you imagine what did they do? A very touching scene. A truck driver first apologized the sumo driver. The sumo driver, instead of getting angry with him, he too apologized to the truck driver. And there was no shouting, no howling, no argument. These two persons took the real responsibility. They have shown the good example for the others. I was just thinking, will it be here among us, this kind of attitude? Another incident, I saw people started beating up the driver very badly. The reason, because the driver by chance ran over a chicken. Because of the chicken, and the driver got beaten up by the public. Can you imagine? Is it right? My dear friends, why no peace? Why no progress? Why no unity among us? Many will try to divide, but none will try to unite. This is the fact, and I have seen, in fact, here in Tripura itself, in fact, here in Mandwi itself, if a person wants to bring unity, he will be condemned. Why can't I become the instrument of peace? Why don't we take the responsibility to make a peaceful world, a peaceful state, a peaceful village, a peaceful family? Why don't we take responsibility to make our area peaceful, our own area clean? Why can't we become good example for others? In fact, our place is known for many bad examples. This is the truth. Why are we shy to do good things? Why only negative things are within us? Brothers and sisters, let us stop blaming others. Let us blame ourselves. By blaming others, nothing good would come up. As Saint Francis of Assisi said, let us become the channel of peace. John Bosco, as a boy, said, when I become big, I will not be like that person. Kapang itakog bukog song ang norok jotono hambay maya paro norok phai mani bagay kok thaisa thainai ang sana muchungo नायनायनि गोबां मानसिनि सिख्ला सिख्लि रक हानिया लामायाव लाइजाक ड्राग जानाय रक बांखा बेफोर माने रक जानाय रक बांखा दै पद रिपर्ट हामिया जाजाकनाय रक दङ मानसुगै नायदि साबो हामिया खालायखा cerai rok ama babu phosong Chini khlai thai tamo Chini borok ni bagai sabot tisanai Chini cerai rok ni bagai sabot tisanai Chini ha ni bagai sabot tisanai Tangoi chung thansa tongai maya khak sangma tong thokma sabo tubunai khak sangma tong thokma ni bagai chung lama angai daman chung hamya khaina ni bagai lachi jagia kaham khaina ni bagai se chung lachi jago aboni bagai chung se sak sak no hamya khayo pansugui nai nai di tabuk sabu tisanai sabu abo chini khlai thai tamo tei waisa khapang ni takhuk bukuk song ang norok no hambai maya pharo norok omo oro phaiman jakmani bagai ani kok khani bagai once again all of us have the freedom. All of us have our own responsibility. Now who is responsible for our society? It is you, it is me, all of us. Jotono Hambai, thank you very much.
Del Debarma Bohkai greenhouse ni. So I congratulate to all the winners for winning the competition and for getting the medals and the certificates. Thank you very much, Father Hubertanian, for giving out the prizes. Student of the Year award. So congratulations Miss Barsa for winning this award, Student of the Year award. Thank you sir for giving away the prize. Next, from the boys side, we also have one more. That is Master Pritish Devarma. So let us welcome Pritish on the stage. Selarang bising Master Pritish Devarma botabo class 10 rung serungi tongo. Black and a book sini kok nawo. Just how po abna samung klayo kaham ke poriwo abuni bagai seng bonono seng basui naharka. Selarang bising best Student of the Year award. Thank you sir very much for giving away the prizes, and also to Master Pritish for winning this award.
Principal, Don Bosco School, Mandwi. Principal, Don Bosco School, Agartala. The parish priest, SDM, Joint Director Education, other invitees, sisters, parents, teachers, guests and friends. It is good to be here in Mandwi, and it is also good to know that Don Bosco organization is spreading its wings in Tripura. There are many organizations which are only city-based or town-based, and it is indeed very gratifying to see that Don Bosco has made a school in Mandwi which is quite in the interior areas, and it has 500 students. And the results, I was talking to the principal, he told me the results were very good. Because I strongly believe that if we want to make a strong nation or strong state, the first thing that is required is good education. Education that not only makes nurses and doctors and engineers and lawyers and businessmen, education that makes good human beings, education that makes good citizens, education that makes strong characters, education that teaches how to give and not only how to take. A few days back, I was in Don Bosco, Agartala. It was a lovely experience, very inspiring to see little children dancing on the stage, performing so well. Today also I see the same enthusiasm among the students, the teachers, the parents, the students. And it is that enthusiasm that keeps a school alive. And I think in Don Bosco Agartala the theme was, let your dreams take wings. Today it is freedom with responsibility. It's a beautiful theme, because unless you are responsible, there can be no freedom. If no one is responsible in the society, no one will have freedom. That's why we say that every right, if I have a right to speak, I must realize that a person next to me also has a right to speak. If I have a right to walk on the road, I must realize that every person in India also has a right to walk on the road. That's why we say rights and duties are inextricably linked. Every right comes with a responsibility. Every freedom comes with a responsibility. If there is no responsibility, no duty, there is no right. If there is no responsibility, there is no freedom. And I hope the students of this school will learn this. This is what makes character. Freedom with responsibility. This is the biggest part and the most important part of education. That when we grow up as citizens, become doctors, engineers, politicians, teachers, professors, we will have to remember one thing in life, that freedom only comes with responsibility. And if we are responsible citizens, half our problems are solved. We say India is a big country, so many problems, there is poverty, there is violence, there is lack of education. But every problem is rooted in the fact that some people are irresponsible. If there is poverty, then the responsibility lies in society because we don't share. If there is violence, the problem also is with the society, which lacks kindness. So every problem comes from the very fact that unless we are responsible, problems will always be there. I remember I was also in a Catholic school for a very long time, and I was remembering my childhood when the parish priest spoke about Saint Francis of Assisi. It is one of my favorite prayers. I don't know if I remember it now. Few lines I do remember. Lord, make me instrument of thy peace. Where there is hatred, let me sow love. Where there is darkness, light. It's one of the most beautiful prayers. And in the last few lines are even better. It is only in giving that you get, and in forgiving you are forgiven. This is responsibility. It's only in giving that you get. When you learn how to give, you will get. And in forgiving, you are forgiven. Unless you forgive, no one will forgive you. And there will be no peace. So this theme that Don Bosco has chosen today is a beautiful theme. I congratulate the principal and the teachers for choosing this theme. It's a theme that is very valuable and relevant in society today. And this school gives a lovely, inspiring feeling in the lap of nature. When it was not dark, I stood in the veranda and looked at all around the school. And I saw lovely greenery. There's such freshness. Because in education, environment also matters. In a dark, damp and drab atmosphere, nothing flourishes. After all, human beings are also nature's children. We grow according to environment. As the tree requires sunlight, we require education. As the tree requires nourishment, we require guidance. So we are also a product of nature, and the environment matters very much. And I have seen the environment in Don Bosco, Agartala. It was so pure and nice. Here also, it is unpolluted, unspoilt. And I am sure the students must be inspired by this environment they are studying in. This school is around 10 years old or 11 years old. Since the 11th annual day, must be 11 years old or 12 years old. And I hope it grows from strength to strength. Because the state requires quality education, value-based education, especially among our indigenous people. I feel that unity should be there. And unity is brought about by right education. No matter how much we make slogans that we should all unite and this, that, unless we are educated, we cannot unite. Because education is the light that makes us go forward. As we lit these torches here, and we said that light dispels darkness, education also dispels darkness. So unless we can face the light, go along the road of progress, our society will not prosper and there will be no peace. And I am happy that Don Bosco is reaching out. Don Bosco is an organization that is internationally famous, and we are proud that they are working in Tripura and working in the right direction, working with so much dedication. And I hope the organization someday will also open up technical schools, because as far as I know, Don Bosco is very famous for technical education, and I would love to see Don Bosco technical education schools come up in Tripura, especially in our indigenous areas where the indigenous people live, because nowadays technical education is as important as formal education. Skilling our people, teaching them how to skill themselves, that has become very important in days, and Don Bosco can really help out. I am sure in the future we will see Don Bosco technical schools here, we will see a St. Anthony's College here. Holy Cross will open the college, and I am sure that in future we will see a St. Anthony's College also here, giving good college education and working for the all-round development of our people. I really congratulate the fathers and the priests and the sisters who have come to dedicate their lives for us, so that we may live in peace, we may live in harmony. They have come from far and wide and made Tripura their homes, from their hearts. That's what matters. If your heart belongs to Tripura, you are from Tripura. I am of the strong belief that anyone's heart who belongs to Tripura, he or she is from Tripura. If I am from Tripura, I do nothing for society, what is the use of being in Tripura? So these priests and the sisters who have come from far and are working hard with so much love, so much dedication for the spread of education, looking after our children, teaching them how to be good citizens, teaching them how to live in society, how to live in harmony with nature, is an education that is all round. And I am sure that this school will have good results, not only in numbers, but also in making citizens which are required for this country. Education, after all, is a nation building process. A nation is built not only by stones and concrete and rod and cement. Nations are built by the human resource. Nations are built on the strength of the citizens. Nations are built on the dedication of their men and women. And I am sure Don Bosco will be successful in making these citizens for us. I wish them all well. I wish this annual function great success. And I am sorry that I cannot stay longer. If I Though I wish to stay long and watch all the dance and song, it's lovely. I saw the costumes, beautiful costumes, and the students are so enthusiastic. I would love to share with them this evening, but as I have some other work, I have to go to Agartala. I will come again. Thank you so much for inviting me, Father. We wish to see you again very soon. Thank you.